Main problem of students who are appearing for UPSC is that why they cannot clear the examination because their answers are not up to the mark. They clear the prelims, but when they start preparing for main, they don't prepare answer writing. So answer writing is a big component in the main preparation. So your UPSC preparation should be main oriented, and the answer writing should be a big component in that, so you can write good answers. So many students cannot clear the examination because their answers are not up to the mark. So in this video I will explain uh, how to improve your answer writing practice. Take the editorial section, you will find many articles there. So take any one article, small article, and start writing answer from that article only. There are big articles too. You can practice answer writing from that articles too. So you can do four questions, as you can see, from this article, this article, this article, and this article. So how you will start doing this, I will now explain to you. Take one article and generate the question from that article, from the main point of that article, and write on a piece of paper. Remember, your preparation should be mains oriented, so write question according to the mains perspective. So how you will write the question? How the position of CDS is a evolving one. Explain. Okay. So like this. Now jot down the points from the article and underline the main points of the article, and give it first point, second point, third point, and fourth point accordingly. As you can see, I have generated lots of points from this article. There are 6 points. If you take the bigger articles, you will find more points, like 12 points, 13, 14, like that. So you have to make answer from these points. So your answer should be very detailed, and it should be very brief. Like you have to explain each and every point in depth. So your answer will be perfect, and it will be a quality answer, and it will be a quality answer according to your mains preparation. You can practice lot of quality answers from these editorial with today's perspective and today's scenario. So by practicing these answers, you will get lot of help in your answer writing practice of mains. Now I will start writing the answer. As you can see, I have written the answer very neatly and very briefly. You have to jot down the main points and write those points on a piece of paper, and you have to explain that points with each and every mind map, as I have explained here. You have to start with the introduction and main topic, and with the conclusion, and your answer should be 2 to 3 pages. 2 to 3 pages. So each and every point should be explained with a mind map. This is a mind map, this is a mind. These are the points, and you have to underline the main points of that point. You have to explain with the mind map, and you have to write one conclusion, as I have wrote down in this answer. So you can utilize the newspaper as I have done in this video. You can write answers from each and every article. You can write 4 answers in this particular editorial section: 1, 2, 3, and 4. So your answer writing practice of mains will be very excellent. So I hope you like the video. Please share, like, and comment. Thank you. My name is Aditya Patankar. Thank you.